Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos. Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for a quick and easy path to riches? Look no further than YouTube automation. You will be amazed to know the power of software. You can upload and manage videos faster and more consistently than ever before, all while raking in cash. But is it really that simple? Let's explore the world of YouTube automation and discover how easy it is to make a bank. Here we begin. Using software to upload and manage YouTube videos is known as YouTube automation. The advantages of utilizing this method include faster and more consistent video uploads and the ability to manage a larger quantity of videos with fewer resources. However, YouTube automation has some drawbacks, such as the possibility of errors and a lack of personal attention that may result in subpar videos. Overall, YouTube automation can be an effective tool for boosting video production capabilities. Why should you automate your YouTube channel? Automating your YouTube channel has numerous benefits that can help you take your content creation to the next level. The most apparent advantage of automating your channel is the time it can save you. If you're regularly uploading videos, automating the process can free up a significant amount of time that you can utilize to focus on promoting your channel or creating new content. Moreover, automating your channel can help you grow your viewership at a much faster rate. By automating the process of uploading videos, you can increase the frequency of your uploads and ultimately increase your channel's visibility. This means you can gain more subscribers and views in a shorter period, boosting your channel's popularity and credibility. Finally, automating your YouTube channel can help you to create better quality videos. With more time to focus on creating high-quality and informative videos, you can put more effort into researching, producing, and editing your content. As a result, your videos are likely to be more engaging and valuable to your viewers, which can attract more followers and increase your channel's influence. How do you make money from YouTube automation? For many aspiring content creators, achieving full-time YouTuber status with millions of subscribers is a coveted dream. Making money through YouTube automation is possible in numerous ways, with sponsorships and several types of channels. No-face channel. No-face channels are among the most lucrative options. A no-face channel on YouTube is where the identity of the person or people running it remains undisclosed. This can be achieved using avatars or pictures instead of real faces or remaining anonymous. Individuals may opt to run a no-face channel for various reasons. Some may value privacy, while others seek to avoid personal attacks or hate speech. Regardless of the reason, no-face channels can provide an exciting and engaging way to consume content on YouTube. Cash Cow Channel. Creating and maintaining a successful YouTube channel can be time-consuming and challenging, especially for those with limited resources. However, cash cow channels offer an alternative way to make money on the platform through automation. By outsourcing content creation, channel owners can free up their time and focus on other aspects of their business while still earning revenue from ad monetization. The first step in creating a cash cow channel is identifying a profitable niche. This could include popular topics such as celebrity news, gaming, or technology reviews. Once a niche has been selected, the channel owner can hire freelancers to create content. This includes scriptwriters, voice actors, and editors who work together to produce high-quality videos. One advantage of cash cow channels is that they can be run entirely remotely. This means that channel owners can work from anywhere in the world and hire freelancers from around the globe. This allows them to tap into a talent pool they may not have access to locally. The key to success with a cash cow channel is to create engaging and monetizable content. This typically involves creating 10 to 20-minute videos optimized for ad revenue. This means using keywords and tags relevant to the niche and creating content that appeals to a broad audience. While the cash cow strategy can be an effective way to make money on YouTube, it's important to note that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Hiring freelancers and creating content requires an upfront investment of time and money. However, it can lead to a profitable and sustainable business model if done correctly. In all, cash cow channels are a legitimate way to make money on YouTube through automation. By outsourcing content creation, Channel owners can save time and focus on other aspects of their business while still earning revenue from ad monetization. However, it's important to approach this strategy cautiously and invest in high-quality freelancers to create engaging and monetizable content. How do you set up YouTube automation? Setting up automation is a great option if you're looking to streamline your YouTube posting process. Here's how to do it. 1. First, log into your YouTube account and navigate to the Creator Studio by clicking the button in the top right-hand corner. 2. From there, click on the Channel tab and select Uploads. 3. Next, locate the scheduling icon located next to the Publish button and click on it. This will open up a new pop-up window. 4. You can specify the exact date and time you want your video posted in this window. If you prefer the video to remain private until you manually make it public, check the private box. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Schedule. 5. At this point, your video is set to be posted at the specified time. Double-check this by looking for the green clock icon next to the video in your Upload section. 6. If you need to change your scheduled post, click the scheduling icon again. From there, you can adjust the date and time or delete the post altogether. With these easy steps, you can set up YouTube automation and make posting videos on your channel much more efficient. YouTube automation ideas. After starting YouTube automation, if now you are looking to add a bit of automation to your YouTube channel, here are some creative and unique ideas to get you started. Develop a video series. By creating entertaining and informative videos, you can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consider creating a series around a specific theme or topic you know will resonate with your viewers. 2. Make how-to videos. How-to videos are always popular on YouTube, and they can be a great way to attract new viewers to your channel. Whether demonstrating a craft or showing viewers how to use a new software program, creating these videos can be a great way to share your expertise and build your audience. 3. Create product reviews. Another popular type of video on YouTube is the product review. By sharing your honest opinion about a product, you can help your viewers make informed purchasing decisions while boosting your credibility as a trusted reviewer. With these creative ideas, you'll be well on your way to automating your YouTube channel and building a loyal following of engaged viewers. Is YouTube automation worth it? YouTube automation is a method that can save you time and help you grow your channel more quickly. Using the right tools for YouTube automation allows you to easily upload your videos and manage your channel without doing all the work yourself. This makes it easier to create content and focus on other important aspects of your channel. The answer is yes if you're wondering whether you can make money with YouTube automation. You can focus on growing your channel and earning money by outsourcing video creation, editing, and promotion tasks. Freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork offer many skilled professionals who can help you create high-quality videos that will generate views and revenue. However, it's important to note that YouTube automation can be expensive, especially when starting out. For instance, creating 10 to 20 videos can cost up to $1,000. While this may seem like a hefty investment, once your channel is monetized, you can easily make back that money and earn a passive income. In all, YouTube automation is a legitimate method for earning money online. It may require an initial investment, but it can save time and help you grow your channel faster. There's no need to buy an expensive course to create videos for a successful channel. You can find all the information you need for free on YouTube. What do you think of YouTube automation? Comment below and subscribe for more.